Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM Inspector series, in this video we discuss about the list of app management commands in APM Inspector. Okay, so I open the APM Inspector and before the starting the session, I run the APM server. Open the command prompt and type APM and click on enter. So you can start the APM server. So in this video, we are discussing about the 10 commands which come under the APM management. Okay, the first one is the install app, is app install, activate app, get current package, get current activity, background, remove app, start activity, terminate app, and get strings. Okay, these are 10 commands we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so which these all 10 commands also known as the app management commands. Okay, so let's check. Okay, go back to the APM inspector and select the saved capabilities. So I'm selecting the saved capability sample. In this one, I have given the two capabilities. So it's the platform name Android, automation name and UI Automator 2. Okay, click on start session. So we had to wait for a few seconds. So let's refresh the source and screenshot. Yeah. So now we are connected to the APM inspector and our session started now. So for checking the app management commands, we have to click on the commands tab. Under the commands tab, okay, if you navigate to the app management section, okay, here we have around 10 commands which you can use for managing the apps here. Okay, the first command we are going to use is the is app install. Okay, what is the use of this is app install? Okay, so if you go back to AP inspector, so we have the command called is app install. Okay, click on this one. By using this command, I can able to verify that is particular app is installed in our device or not. It may be a it may be Android device or iOS device, or it may be a cloud device or a real-time device. Okay, so we can provide the package name or app ID details, and if we click on execute, it will verify that particular app is installed in our device or not. Okay, in our case, we are using the uh, WebDriver IO demo app for this purpose here. So this is the package name of the WebDriver demo app. So copy it here and provide this value here. Okay. Just click on execute command. Okay. So click on execute command. So it says false. The result is false because the WebDriver demo app is not installed in my emulator here. So that's why it is showing as false. Okay. Click on OK. Now we need to install the app. Okay, so we are using the command called install app. Okay, so click on install app and we need to provide the app path. Okay, so I'll open the Eclipse and I had to install this app here. So right click on this APK and I had to provide the path of this APK here. Go to properties and copy the full path of this one. Okay, now I want to go back to APM inspector and provide the app path here. I click on. So in Android, we have to provide the APK path, or in case of iOS, we have to provide the IPA path here. Okay. Now open the emulator. Okay. Before opening install, you confirm that see WebDriver IO demo app is not installed in my emulator. Okay. Now I click on execute command. Okay, by using this command install app, I can able to install the required app in my emulator. Okay, so it says null, and you can see the WebDriver app is installed here. Okay, this is how we can able to use this install app to install a app in our device. Okay, that is the second command. Now once again I run this command to check that WebDriver demo app is installed or not. Okay, already we installed. Previously when you run this one before installation, it shows as pop-up result has false. Now it should be true. Okay, go back to Appium inspector and click on is app installed. Now I provide the package name here. Click on execute. Now it should be true. Okay, because we have already installed the WebDriver demo app. Okay, so we have seen two commands: install app, is app install. Okay, now what I will do? I will go for the this one, get current package and get current activity. Okay, so these two commands we'll see here. So go back to Appium inspector and see now. If you observe it, okay, before get current activity, get package, I want to open the app. Okay, if you observe my emulator, I have installed the WebDriver app. Okay, let's refresh, it is open now. So now I want to close this app. Click on home button and click on, I have closed the WebDriver app. Okay, now I want to open the app here. Okay, so how which command I had to use? That is the activate app. So select the activate app. Okay, and I need to provide the package name here. Okay, of the WebDriver demo app. Okay, when I click on execute, it will open the WebDriver IO app. So click on execute, you'll see the WebDriver app is open now. Okay, you can see the WebDriver app is open now. Okay, this is the command I had to use, activate app, to open a required app. Okay, now I want to fetch the current activity and current package now. Okay, so to fetch the current activity, current package, I had to use for package get current package. So click on get current package. If you click on this one, it will display the package name of this currently focused app. Okay, whatever the app I have opened in my Android, which is in focus, it will display the package name of that particular app here. So in this case, it is com.wdio demo app. Okay, this is used to fetch the package name. Now I want to fetch the activity details of this app. So I had to use the command called get current activity. If you click on this one, it will pop up the result and it will show the activity of this app here. This is a main activity. Okay, and click on OK. So we have seen the install app, is app install, activity, activate app, get current package, get current activity. Okay, now I want to run the background command. By using this command, I can specify the APM inspector to run this particular command for mention seconds, okay, in background here. Okay, so when I click on background, so I had provided timeout here. Okay, so I say please run this app around 12 seconds in the background. Okay, so when I click on execute, so the this app will run background for the specified time. Okay, in our case it is 12 seconds. After 12 seconds, automatically the app will be activated. So just observe the emulator. After 12 seconds, the app is reactivated here. Okay, this is the use of the background here. And result is showing a true. Okay, and now the next one is the remove app. Okay, the remove app, what happened? See, we have to observe the difference between remove app and terminate app. Okay, before remove app, I will run the terminate app. Okay, and I will show the difference here. Okay, if you run the terminate app, I can able to close this app. Okay, and if I run the remove app, it will uninstall the app. Okay, based upon the package name here. Okay, now I'll run the terminate app. So give the package details here. So click on execute. Now you can see the WebDriver demo app is closed, but it is installed. Okay, it is there in our system. But if I run the terminate app, it will uninstall the specified app based upon our package name here. Okay, so remove app is this one. There's a difference between the remove app and terminate app. Terminate app will close the app, and remove app will be uninstall the app here. Okay, and we have one more command called start activity. So start activity, what happens? Suppose see we have want to switch the apps, right? See in between, I want to switch the apps. Okay, so switching the apps, we use command called driver.execute start activity intent. We need to provide the package name and the activity name. So same the use of this start activity means switching the between the apps. Okay, by using the start activity, I can able to switch the apps in between. So I will demonstrate this one. So what I will do, I will open the Appium demos app and I will get the current package name and the activity of this one. Okay, just copy this one, copy it here, notepad. I want to save it here. So this is the switch between the apps. So I provide the package name and the activity name. I need to get it. So get the current activity. Okay, just copy here, and these two values I need to provide as a argument in our start activity. In our start activity. Okay. Now I'll say I have opened the IO demos app. Okay, and I have opened the WebDriver app. Okay. Now the current focus is on WebDriver app. Now I want to switch the focus. Means I have to open. I want to switch the focus to the API demos app. Okay. Switch the between the two apps here. Okay. That's the purpose. So click on start app, and I have to provide the package name. So we have copied already the activity name. Okay. Just remove the double quotation, and the package name also I need to provide, which we have copied here. Okay. Provide the package name and activity name. That's it. Okay. Click on execute command. Now my focus will shift to the API demos app. We are switching to the apps here from WebDriver IO app. See, now it has to switch the focus to the IO API demos app. That is the use of this start activity command. Okay, so we have seen all these commands here. Now we have to see, look into the remove app. Okay, we have seen terminate app and we have to see the remove app here. Okay, so what's the remove app? It will uninstall the application. So that is the difference between terminate and remove app. Terminate app will be close the application, and remove app will be uninstall the specified application based upon the package details. Okay. So now go back to Appium Inspector, and we have the emulator here. I close these apps, and you can see my WebDriver or say WebDriver IO demo app is installed here. Now I will run this remove app here. Okay, and I have to provide the package name of the WebDriver app. So copy this one and provide the package name here. In the case of IPA, I need to provide the app ID here. Okay. So open the emulator and just run this command. Observe that this particular app will be uninstalled. Okay, by using the remove app. Just click on execute command. See, it says true, and you can see the particular app is uninstalled. You want to confirm it, right? Just go to the is app install command and provide the package name here. Click on execute. It says false because the particular app is uninstalled. So we have seen all the Appium commands here and how we can able to use these commands under the commands tab in Appium Inspector. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel, and this article also available in the medium. Please go to that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.